Hello guys, welcome to my classic Techart channel. You see, dear friends, and my computer screen. This is very fantastic like so a logo, letter logo, or the typography. So if you wanted to check or you wanted to promote your company or business, you can follow this rules of this Adobe Illustrator. So now I'm gonna just starting here. So first of all, I need a little bit small here and keep all the things here. And I need to go to the rectangle tool and I start here, rectangle tool, rectangle tool. Okay, so this is fine. I need to now just copy the pressing all the pressing Control C and F like that, like that. Not like that. Just, okay, so right now, just keeping all the things, and I just put this is center, this I think this is center, no, little bit here, this I think this is center. So I need to now again, little bit here, smaller, and select and copy to the top side, and I think this is level, yes, put it level, and I think a little bit here, bigger, yes, exactly done. So again, I need to now just copy here, bottom side, and keep here, and just select all the things, and go to the word finder, and click the unit. Yes, exactly done. So what can I do again? I need to select this corner side and I need to like that. Yes, good job. What can I do right now? Just I go to the rectangle tool again. I need the anchor point here and just exactly here. Keep all the things. I needed to just check a little bit a different color to ensure it and no, I needed just to get that here, see, and also here the there, very good. I think special like that is good, and I need it here. I need it this one quickly. There, need to be here. Yes. Put it here. Little bit. Little bit. Okay, that's fine. Fantastic. Roll. Now I need it back here. The okay. So what can I do right here? I just to press O and enter. You see, automatic. Hold it down here. So I need it now just to select this one and exactly done like that. You see what's going on? Okay, so right here, I think this is good, but that's missing something maybe. Always, I don't know how I'm missing this one. I'm missing this one. We get it back with the something wrong here. You see? Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. We're doing bad things, so I need copy here all the things. And keep this one here. Little bit. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Again, I need here. Let's take here a little bit side, I think. So I need to just press O, enter. Okay. So I need it now is to select this one and direct select and keep it all the things. Okay. You see, guys, how is it happening? The nice all over design. So I think this is a little bit smaller and a little bit bigger here. Yes, it's not good. A little bit. Okay. So I think it's fine. Okay, just fine. And now you see, completely done this better job. So I needed just to change this one. You see how it's happening. You can build this one. How I cannot do this one. You just see how it's happening. Okay. Okay, so I need to go to here and make better this angle. I think all are okay. You see how good job. Oh my god, it's so fantastic. Exactly like that. Just you see, it's a very fantastic. Not a difference. There's a color difference. Color differences doesn't matter. As you wish, you can do this one. So this is fantastic done by me, and thanks for watching.